Okay, this one, if the connector battery is not connected, okay, you can see this must be here, this must be here, and this two to flashlight, we check the battery first. Okay, we check the battery, and check the battery is good or not. There is no energy on the battery. Oh, 1.45. Okay, there is no energy. And in this one there is no energy too, so maybe it's not to charge. we 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 try to charge it, and this is charge it, and we can to connection the junction, and we have to check this. Now this is a good battery, but not a junction. Okay. And we have it's very difficult to okay, there is some liquid on this battery. So you must carefully, and this is harder to okay, you can try. Okay, we have this. Okay, this is good. Okay, we have the fixed one. Okay, we have the fixed one of. Okay, this is okay. Okay, like that. This fixed one, and now we want to try the fix two others left. This problem is the same. There is no energy on this battery, so we must to try to charge these two flashlight. Okay, in this step I want to try if we charge it, the energy sent to this battery or not. Okay, you must carefully don't touch the on cable, on junction cable right here. It's very dangerous. So this is not enough to, but there is on energy, there is energy on it. This is sent, but not too high. Okay, not enough. This energy not enough because at least in 3 volt to turn on the light. So this is no energy. Okay. Okay, you can see there is the same problem here. You will see the capacitor is blowed. There is low capacitor in here, and here there is a low capacitor too. There is a low capacitor, and the solution from these two flashlight